Avid Investors, Steve Roush, Capital City Law. Thank you so much for talking tonight. Some key points that I heard you say, I heard you talk about, well, most recently, once you hit 70, it's time to structure an irrevocable trust. We talked about LLCs versus trusts, and how trusts are for estate planning and LLCs are for asset protection. Yep. But that once you do have an LLC, you can't represent yourself in court.
Correct.
And but if you have a property manager, they can represent you in court.
Correct.
So a few little key details to think about if you are one of the many who hold properties in LLCs. Vetting the management company is key.
Yep.
Very
important. The reason is because you want to make sure that the contract that you have with them is going to give them the ability to do what you need them to do, but also protect you, so that if something goes south and your relationship with them, goes south, that you have a way to get out of it, and with the least amount of expense. So.
Okay. And things are changing with inheritances and the way assets are passed down with the Secure Act, and how people have to take money out once they inherit it. And the main reminders for LLCs: always have a separate bank account, do your administrative duties, which he didn't talk about this time, but you can have Steve do meeting minutes for you annually.
Absolutely, yeah. So one of the things that we do in our office is we'll act as your registered agent, and then we'll go through and make sure that you've got all the underlying documents that you need: operating agreement, meeting minutes, membership certificates, ledgers, all those types of things. Those are the documents that a judge or the IRS is going to want to see to make sure your entity is legitimate. So.
Yeah, and you can do LLCs. You can have an asset in an LLC and do a 1031 exchange. Mm-hmm. That happens all the time. And it seems like that's your recommended form of protecting a property, is putting it in an LLC.
Yeah, absolutely. So
go ahead and put those properties in LLCs. They're cheap and easy in Idaho. I think that covers it.
Yep.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Yep.
Thank you, Avid Investors.